Go train, go. It's a long one. So working on, gonna see what kind of top speed I can get today with the 115 Jetson. Hopefully it's gonna work. Right on the sweet spot. It's working great now. Let's try to get a top speed run again, but it's going. It feels fast. Well, hit the brakes a little hard there. Turn that off. She fucking ripped my rally. Surprised it's not leaking. But she's crushed. Fast. Yeah, I don't know about you guys, but that felt pretty fast. Unfortunately, my stupid where I am, I don't get any service, so I can't find out exactly how fast I'm going. One day, I'll get those numbers.